So we're talking about the rock cycle again. I wished I saved my last video. It would have been so much easier to try new things. So contents, and I'm just gonna keep letting this go and go and go because I need to try stuff with YouTube. Here's the rock cycle, constructive forces, destructive forces, blah blah.